Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in Benavista. As you come in through the front door, there's also a cloakroom to the left. And then here you've got fully fitted kitchen. Window overlooking the community swimming pool. And then through to this open plan living and dining area. The dining area is raised. So you've got 2 steps down here to a very large living room. The log burner. The owners have at some time incorporated the terrace into the living room to make a larger space. And it leads out to this lovely tiled garden. Fortunately, there's a gardener making a bit of noise this morning. We're south facing here. It's a gated community with plenty of parking outside. See, they've added some storage units to the right hand side, great for keeping your tools. Some more storage here to the left. And we'll go and check out the bedrooms upstairs. So we're upstairs now, go into the master bedroom. There's an ensuite bathroom through here. Again, plenty of storage space. And this owner chose to enclose the terrace that was up here to make an office. So there's an extra room if you could use it, or you could open it back out to being a balcony for enjoying the sunshine. Go through here to the family bathroom. We've just got a nice walk-in shower. And the guest bedroom, second bedroom. Super size. Again, plenty of storage space. You can see it's got its own air conditioning unit. Large wardrobe there. Again, overlooking the swimming pool. This community actually has 3 swimming pools. It's divided into 3 areas, and each area has its own pool. So the one that you can see now would be the swimming pool that you would use if you lived in this house.